Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all top office slash college slash school snacks that you can carry very easily anywhere, and they are very easy to prepare as well and act as a superfood for mid-morning and mid-evening snacks. So without any delay, let's get started with the recipes. Now the first, my personal favorite is banana split. Now this is very easy to carry and it immensely is easy to prepare and contains lots of potassium and calcium in it. Now all you have to do is split one banana into two pieces and add some Greek yogurt over it. Top it up with fresh fruits of your own choice. It can be strawberries, berries, cherries, orange, apple, nuts, almonds, cashews, whatever of your own choice, and along with that add half a teaspoon of chia seeds over it, and your delicious banana split is ready to have. It is so easy to prepare and it is very delicious in each and every manner. Now the second option is roasted broccoli. Now as you all know that broccoli adds as a superfood for fat cutting and helps you reduce your fat from the body very quickly. So all you have to do to prepare roasted broccoli is, in a non-stick pan, add florets of broccoli. Along with that, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and salt and pepper according to taste. Now let it saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When you feel that the broccoli is cooked, turn off the flame and pour this broccoli into a Borosil clip-in store easy to carry lunchbox. Now this lunchbox is very handy. It is plastic free, which is the most important thing to remember when you are carrying any kind of lunch. Do not use plastic at all. And along with that, it is microwavable as well. So to buy this lunchbox, the link is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. I highly prefer this lunchbox. Now the third option is very healthy and very fuller: oatmeal with fruits. Now the first thing that comes in mind is, how can you carry oatmeal? Now you can buy this mason jar, which is very readily available in the local stores as well, or you can also buy it online. The link to it is in the description box below. Now how to prepare oatmeal with fruits to carry? It can be prepared in just 2 minutes. All you have to do is, in this mason jar, add half a cup of almond milk or low-fat skim milk. In it, add 2 tablespoons of gluten-free oats, and in this you can add 1 spoon of chia seeds, some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and along with that, fruit of your own choice. It can be orange, apple, strawberries, cherries, mango, melon, anything of your own choice. And your delicious, easy to carry oatmeal with fruits is ready. This mason jar is so handy that you can have this snack anywhere and very easily. Next easy to carry snacks is dried nuts. Now this snack is very easy to carry. You can carry almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, blackberries dried cranberries, and lots and other kind of dried nuts with it. That is dried fruits also. For example, dried kiwis, dried mango, dried orange is available in the market, or you can also buy it all in the description box below. These are all the delicious, yummy and very easy to carry office slash college slash school snacks that you can carry anywhere along with you, and you can have them whenever you feel hungry, and will allow you to fulfill your cravings, and definitely in the most healthiest form. Please make sure to carry these snacks in plastic free Borosil or mason jar only, so that they do not get stale and maintain the freshness of these snacks. To buy these plastic free Borosil lunch boxes, the link is in the description box below. Check it out now and buy it. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of these snacks or any of my videos, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a post or video on YouTube. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.